in and out, relaxing, letting go, enjoying this moment of complete serenity. Now become aware of your thoughts, coming and going through your mind. They are similar to the breeze on the beach, stimulating the mind from time to time, yet gentle and ever moving through your awareness. Let your thoughts be like the wind blowing by. Feel them come and see them go. Each thought you have allows you to become even more calm and relaxed, because you simply watch as it passes by. A gentle calmness comes along with each breath. Feel your body slowing down, preparing for sleep. The breath becomes steady. My words are very soothing. The thoughts are coming and going, just as they always do. Imagine the ocean again. See the beauty in its blueness. Feel the power of deep relaxation it is bringing you just by watching it. The waves are gurgling on the shore, making white foamy bubbles each time they break on the sand. You are ready to drift off into a restful slumber. The rhythm of your body is slowing down to the perfect pace. Even each thought that slowly comes and goes is relaxing. Feel that you can fully let go of the day you just experienced. Feel that you can fully let go of the expectation of tomorrow. All you need to do is rest, rejuvenate, relax.